Which travel gear is actually worth it? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 must-have items for your next adventure. Product number 1, Bare Wind Portable Handheld Turbofan. Priced at $18.99, it caught my attention with its promise of ultimate cooling on the go. If you want a reliable way to beat the heat while traveling, this is worth a serious look. This fan features a 4th-generation high-speed airflow system and a unique 7-blade turbo design, which means it can blow cold air at speeds up to 9 meters per second. That's 3 times stronger than regular fans, making it perfect for those hot days at the beach or hiking trips. With 5 adjustable speed settings, you can easily customize your cooling experience. And let's not overlook the extended battery life, up to 12 hours on lower settings. You can even charge it in just 3 hours with a USB-C charger, which is super convenient. Now, some people complained about it's not as effective in really high temperatures. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a compact fan to keep you cool during everyday outings, this is still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're someone who often finds themselves in hot weather or at outdoor events. Skip this one if you need something industrial strength for extreme climates. Honestly, for under $20, you're getting a handy gadget that can really enhance your comfort during travels. Now, if the fan's battery life is a concern for you, the next product offers a completely different approach to organizing your travel essentials. Product number 2, FYY Travel Cable Organizer. We have the FYY Travel Cable Organizer pouch. At just $9.95, this little bag caught my eye because it promises to keep all your cords and tech accessories tidy while traveling. If you want to end the daily frustration of tangled wires, this is definitely worth checking out. The compact design is just 7.5 by 4.3 by 2.2 inches, making it easy to slip into your backpack without taking up too much space. It features 8 compartments, including mesh pockets for your shorter charging cords and larger spaces for your bulkier items. Made from durable, waterproof fabric, it protects your gear from splashes, which is comforting when you're on the go. Some buyers mention that the zipper could be smoother. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with it, this organizer holds up and keeps everything in place, which is the main goal. This is perfect for you if you're someone who travels with multiple devices and hates dealing with messy cables. Skip this one if you only carry a single device, as it might feel like overkill. For under $10, it's a fantastic way to keep your gear organized. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a larger storage solution. Product number 3, Vorspaq Extra Large Duffel Bag. Coming in at $17.98. This duffel bag really caught my attention due to its massive 100-liter capacity. If you need a spacious bag for long trips, this is definitely worth considering. The dimensions are quite impressive at 31.5 by 16.5 by 11.8 inches, giving you plenty of room for all your gear. It has a thickened webbing at the bottom, enhancing its load-bearing capacity, which means you can feel secure carrying heavier items. Made from durable 600D polyester, it's anti-tear and wear-resistant, so it can handle rough handling during travels. However, some reviews pointed out that it can feel bulky when fully packed. Here's the thing, if you're packing for a longer trip or camping, that extra space is a blessing, even if it's a bit cumbersome. This is perfect for you if you're planning a weekend getaway or a camping trip where you need to carry a lot. Skip this one if you prefer something more compact for short travels. Honestly, for under $20, you're getting an incredible value for such a large bag. Now, if you need something even more organized, the next product is a backpack that can really compartmentalize your essentials. Product number 4, Mozetto TSA Approved Carry-On Backpack, priced at $36.99. This caught my eye because of its tactical design and spacious organization. If you're someone who values both style and functionality while traveling, this is definitely worth a look. This backpack features a unique 180-degree clamshell opening, allowing for easy packing and unpacking. It has a dedicated padded compartment for a 17-inch laptop, plus a separate area for toiletries, which is super handy for air travel. With military-grade build quality and water-resistant material, it really stands out in terms of durability. Now, a few users mentioned that it can get heavy when fully loaded. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a robust and versatile bag that can handle all your gear, the weight isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you travel frequently and need a reliable carry-on that holds everything you need. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter bag for shorter excursions. For price, you're getting an excellent travel companion that's built to last. Finally, if you're looking for something a bit more traditional, the last product on our list is a classic duffel bag that's easy to maneuver. Product number 5, Samsonite Andante 2 Wheeled Duffel Bag. This one is on the pricier side at $121.22, but it's designed for serious travelers. If you want a durable bag that moves smoothly through airports, this is worth considering. This bag features inline skate wheels that glide effortlessly, perfect for navigating busy terminals. It also has a spacious capacity of 57.7 liters and multiple external grab handles, making it easy to lift. The dedicated end pockets are a nice touch for separating shoes or damp items, which is something many travelers overlook. However, a few users felt it was a bit heavy even when empty. Here's the thing. If you value durability and smooth mobility over weight, this bag is a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel and want a bag that's built to last. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight for short trips. Honestly, for what you get, it's a worthwhile investment for serious travelers.
So to quickly recap, we covered the Bearwind Portable Hand Fan, FYY Travel Cable Organizer, Vorspak Extra Large Duffel Bag, Mozetto TSA Approved Carry-On Backpack, and the Samsonite Andante 2 Wheeled Duffel Bag. Each of these offers unique features that cater to different travel needs, ensuring you're well equipped for your next adventure.